Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 236. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 9, 1 here, so 4, 9. And that means that our 1 for that column has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. And that 4 makes this our 9. For this column, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing a 3. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 8, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 2, 5 here, so 4 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.